So debts, pretty straightforward. So let's say I had a personal loan. And I pick the type of debt it is. If it's a fixed debt, personal loan, your student loan, or any other subcategory of assets, I'm going to pick personal loan. How much do I owe? Let's say I owe $5,000 on the personal loan, and I pay $200 a month. Interest rate is 6%, and I pay this every month. So when did I? The open dates is when did the loan actually start, right? So let's say I started paying this 2 years ago. January 3rd, and the payment due date is optional. Of course, you could add a description, and you do a save, and this is your person. This is your loan up here. Again, you can go through this and add all your loans, different categories. There's a revolving line of credits, unsecured, and depending on which categories you pick, there's going to be other extra fields that appear, and you enter in all your information.